Good evening, friends. Please confirm, am I audible? Is my voice is clear? Yes, I request everyone to respond, sir, please. Very good. Sir, in the last video, we covered up to LBP number 27, right? So in today's session, we need to talk about LBP number 28. Sir, what is this program? You are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach to the top. Okay, if you want to reach to the top, it takes how many steps, sir? N steps. Each time you can either climb one step or two steps. So at a time, how many steps you can able to do? You can able to jump, sir? One step or two steps. Okay, in how many distinct ways you can climb to the top? Okay, sir, given n will be a positive integer, we have to read a number from the user which indicates the number of steps. So how many ways are there to jump to reach to the top of the step? You have to kind out. Okay, have you observed in your childhood? Okay, when you are climbing to your top, okay, building upstairs, sir, the kids are going to jump one step, sometimes two steps they are going to climb. Have you seen these type of scenarios? Please respond. Have you done these type of scenarios? Yes, very good, very good, sir. Same cinema is there here also, sir. So now you need to find out. I will take one simple diagram, there you will get the clarity. Okay, sir, observe carefully, you need to respond for the answers. Suppose consider n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. That means how many steps are there? Only one step. So in how many ways you can move? Only one way will be there. That is nothing but 1. This is the first case. Suppose if n is equal to 2. That means what? How many steps are there, sir? 2 steps. This is the first step. This is the second step. Observe carefully. Sir, this is nothing but the first way. You can climb to first step, and from that you can climb to top step. This is one way. What is the second way? From here directly you can jump to this step or not? Yes, because in the problem statement they have told that you can climb either one or two steps. So that's why. So how many possibilities will be there here? Have you observed? Two possibilities are there. Okay, now suppose if n is equal to 3 star. Okay, how many steps are there here? 3 steps. This is the first step, this is the second step, this is the third step. Assume that, sir, now first time one step, next time one step, next time one step. This is one way. What is the second way? Sir, I can jump 2 steps from here, and from here to one step I can jump. What is the next way? Sir, I can jump one step here, from these 2 steps I can jump. Sir, total how many possible ways we are going to get? I think no other possibility is there, right? So total how many ways are there, sir? Have you observed? Sir, total 3 ways are there. Okay, total 3 ways are there. Okay, sir, clear up to this? Up to this clear? Please confirm. Yes. Now let me take n is equal to 4, sir. A dangerous concept. Observe carefully. Sir, I am taking 1 minute. So this is the first step, sir, second step, third step, fourth step. Okay, sir, this is the default way. 1, sir, 2, 3, 4. Like this we can jump. This is the first way. So what is the second way? Sir, at a time 2 steps you can jump, right? This is the another way. Sir, what is the next way? What is the next way? Sir, you can jump one step to here, from this sir 2 steps, from this one step. Or sir, you can jump 2 steps, from this you can jump one step and then one step. Have you observed? Several cases will be there in this case. Okay, several cases will be there in this. So something like I want to draw, okay, one simple sequence. Whether that sequence is satisfied or not, you have to tell, sir. Okay, whether that sequence has a satisfied or not, we have to tell. Sir, observe carefully. What is that sequence? Boss, 0, Okay, 1. Okay, sir, 1. Okay, sir, 2, 3. Okay, sir, 5. Okay, sir, 8, and so on. So if you have zero number of steps, zero possibilities are there. If you have only one step, one possibility is there. Sir, if you have two steps, three steps, four steps, five steps, six steps, and so on. Have you observed a little change we have to made here? Okay, a little change we have to make here. So what is that change? Sir, forget about this zero. If you have one step, okay, then we have to take one possibility is there. Okay, suppose if n is equal to 2. Okay, if n is equal to 2, how many possibilities? Two possibilities. If n is equal to 3, how many possibilities? Three possibilities. If n is equal to 4, how many possibilities? Five. If n is equal to 5, how many possibilities? Six. Sir, like this you can remove these two and you can continue or not. Please confirm, sir, what kind of sequence it is? Anyone? Yes, what kind of sequence it is? I don't know. Please respond. No, n factorial. No, no. N factorial is not n factorial. Yes, very good. It is nothing but Fibonacci sequence. It is nothing but Fibonacci sequence. So, what is the logic for this? Very, very important. Sir, for this, I need to open the test cases, sir, because from that I need to get some clarity because a small change is there in the Fibonacci sequence because direct Fibonacci sequence is not there here. A small change is there. Let us see what is that change. Yes. Sir, if it is 1, 1, if it is 2, 2, oh, only two test cases they have given. Okay, no issues. Sir, integer, I am taking Fibonacci sequence, which is taking integer n. Okay, now observe carefully. If the value of n is equal to 1, okay, or let me take n is equal to 0, then I want to return 1. Else, sir, same, return FIB of n minus 1 plus FIB of n minus 2. Like this I am taking. Like this I am taking. Sir, let me take FIB of 1. What answer we will get? Sir, if n is equal to 1, directly it is returning 1. Now I want to take FIB of 2. So if it is a 2, which is not equal to 1, right? Which is not equal to 1 or 0, sir, it will take this formula. It will take this formula. Sir, n minus 1. N value is 2. 2 minus 1 will become 1. Okay. Sir, 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 will become 0. Sir, FIB of 0 means which value we have to return? 1. FIB of 1 means just now we calculated 1. 1 plus 1 will become 2. Now FIB of 3 I want to take. So what is the formula? Sir, FIB of 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 2, plus FIB of 3 minus 2, which is nothing but 1. F of 1 is just now we calculated. F of 2 is also just now we calculated, which is nothing but 2. Sir, is it 3 or not? Yes. And so on. Let me check whether it will work or not. Sir, I request everyone, dear students, please confirm, is the logic is clear for you people? Hi guys, please respond. Ranjish, today you are seems to be very active. Huh? Yes. So if you understand the logic, you will be happy, right? Is it correct? If step is 0, then how one way? See, there is no n is equal to 0. But since it is a Fibonacci sequence, Prashant Singh, since it is a Fibonacci sequence, if I want to calculate FIB of 2, what is the formula? FIB of 2 minus 1. FIB of 1, but FIB of 2 minus 2, which is nothing but 0. But for 0, if you take 0, then these steps won't come. So it is not exactly Fibonacci sequence. A small slight change we are doing. Clear? There is no 0. Clear? In the input, if they have given 0, what we have to do? You need to check that input before calling this FIB function. Okay, if input is equal to 0, then print directly invalid or 0 something like that, and then terminate. Otherwise, go to next one. Okay, Rahul is asking one innocent doubt. Rahul, have you observed? Sir, by observing the result, we can only conclude that it is following Fibonacci sequence. Yes, because because I am the faculty, I am following this rule. Observe carefully. You need to understand the problem, sir. That is the main intention. Okay. So here they are telling each time you can either climb 1 or 2 steps. So this point is the key point. So you need to take the diagram. From that diagram only we got this sequence. We need to analyze. So sometimes we are going to get these kind of sequences also. Arithmetic progression, okay, geometric progression. Like this, we have some sequences in our programming. Yes, such type of things also will be there. That's why analysis is very, very important in these kind of programs. Clear? Based on analysis, I have decided. Rahul. So if the same problem came to your desk, then compulsory minimum 10 to 15 minutes analysis must be required. Strictly speaking, when I saw this problem, sir, almost 20 minutes I observed what is this, what is this. Okay, I got the Fibonacci sequence, but somewhat slice is there. So then I modified that. So many times I executed, then finally I got the result. So second time onwards, I know this concept. That's why I'm explaining for you very clearly. But make sure when these type of problems came into your coding rounds, then you have to think. You need to spend maximum time to analyze the problem. Once if you got the solution, once if you got that logic, implementation is nothing, sir. Because we know the programming languages, right? Implementation will become very easy. Clear, Rahul Kumar? Yes. So let me go with implementation, sir. I want to implement the program in C language. Let me go with C language implementation. Yes. Since it is a recursion, I'm defining FIB sequence. Integer n I am taking. If the value of n is equal to 0 or if the value of n is equal to 1, we have to return 1. Else we have to return FIB of n minus 1 plus FIB of n minus 2. So next, what is the input? You have to read a number from the user. So scanf %d comma ampersand n. Then you need to print the result. Print a %d comma. So FIB of whatever input you have given. That's all. Let me run the code. Is it going to work or not? Perfectly working. And submit the code for final approval, guys. Have you observed all the test cases are successfully submitted? Now I need to go for Java implementation. Let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Java. Okay, of course, if you got that input, sir, nothing will become very difficult, right? Static integer FIB of integer n I am taking. Then if the value of n is double equal to 0 or if n is equal to 1, we have to return 1. Else we have to return FIB of n minus 1 plus FIB of n minus 2, like this. So from main method, we have to run the show. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in I am taking. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. So system dot out dot println of I am calling FIB of n I am taking. N I am taking. That's all. Let me run the code. And let us submit the code for final approval. Yes. So all the test cases are satisfied. Let me go with the Python implementation. I want to solve this problem by using Python. Okay. So let us see how you can able to define Python functions, all these things. Somewhere I have given the clue also, but let me take. So we have to take a DEF sorry, FIB of n I am taking. So if the value of n is equal to 0 or if n is equal to 1, so I am going to return 1. Okay, else what we have to do, you have to return FIB of n minus 1 plus FIB of n minus 2 we have to take. That's all. N is equal to int of input I am taking. Then finally you can print FIB of n, sir. That's all. Beyond that nothing is there. Let me run the code. So you can see both the test cases are satisfied, and even if you run, we are going to get the output. Yes, this is nothing but how you can able to implement this program in various programming languages. Hope it is very clear for you people. Guys, please respond. Do you have any doubts up to this? I request everyone to respond, guys. Okay, sir. Let me go for the next problem. What we have here is LBP number 29. Of course, you know this very well. What is this problem, sir? Prime number or not? Sir, I have a question for you. So write a program to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. A number is said to be prime if it is having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Sir, could you please confirm any 2 or 3 prime numbers? Please confirm. The prime numbers which are greater than 10, you have to respond. Please. The numbers which are greater than 10. Yes, very good. 11, some people are telling. 13, some people are telling. Very good. 17. Okay. Yes, very good. Sir, for 11, how many factors you are going to get? It is divisible by 1 and 11. So 13, so it can be divisible by, sir, 1 and 13. Have you observed? Sir, 17, it can be divisible by, sir, 1 and 17. So that's all, nothing more than that. So if you are getting two factors, then we can say that number is nothing but a prime number. What is the logic for this? Initially, I am taking factors is equal to 0. Then for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to the number n, I plus plus, I will check array if that number is divisible by I. If it is divisible, then please increment factors plus plus. Okay, please increment factors plus plus. After completion of this loop, sir, so print, okay, print, yes, it is the prime, true, when, so print true when, sir, if factors is double equal to 2, sir, then we have to print true, else we have to print false. Sir, beyond that nothing is there. Okay, please confirm, guys, is this concept is clear for you people? Okay, some people are asking, give any example. Ayo, Ranjish, have a look once. So consider the number I am taking, sir, something like 12. So first I will take 1. Is this 12 is divisible by 1? Yes. So factors is initially 0. It will become 1. Sir, is it divisible by 2? Yes. It will become 2. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. It will become 3. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. It will become 4. Is it divisible by 5? No. Is it divisible by 6? Yes. So factor will become 5. Okay. So is it divisible by 7? No. Is it divisible by 8? No. Is it divisible by 9? No. Is it divisible by 10? No. Is it divisible by 11? No. Is it divisible by 12? Yes. Okay. So this 5 will become 6. 5 will become 6. Now, sir, total how many factors we got? 6. If it is 2, then only true. Otherwise false. If you take the number, it is divisible by 1 and 13. That's all. Okay. It should be 2 or more. No. It should be 2, sir. That's all. More than 2, it is not allowed. Okay, ignore it. Okay, sir. Clear? Why factors plus plus? Plus plus operator is used for incrementation purpose. Okay, Ranjish. Plus plus is used for incrementation purpose. Okay. Yeah. Sir, let me go for C language implementation, sir. So how you can able to implement in C language, we will see. Yes, Prashant, correct. Yes. So let me take LBP number 29. So what is this problem? Observe carefully. I am going to take integer n. So I variable must be required. Okay. Sir, factors is equal to 0 I am taking. So first we have to read the value of n from the user. Then, sir, I am taking factors. Then I am taking, sir, factors is equal to 0. Sir, for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. Okay, I plus plus. I am dividing with every number. Okay, if n percentage I is equal to 0, then factors plus plus. So finally, I want to print array if the value of factors is double equal to 2, then print the message saying true, else print the message saying false. That's all. Now let us run the code. Let us run the code. Is it working for sample test cases or not? Yes, both sample test cases are working, and submit the code for final approval. Yes, you can able to see all the test cases has been satisfied. This is nothing but C language implementation what we have. Let me go for Java implementation. Sir, I want to solve this problem by using Java. Let us see how you can able to solve this in Java. So I want to take the problem statement and I need to select Java. So here I am going to choose sir, scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of within bracket system.in. Integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. So what are the remaining variables? Factors is equal to 0 and I am taking I. Okay, so for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So I am taking if the value of n percentage I is equal to 0, then sir, factors plus plus, then factors plus plus. So finally, I think directly you can print, right? So if factors is double equal to 2, sir, it has to print either true or false. Okay, it has to print either true or false. Let me check. Yes, and submit the code. Prashant, I told compulsory programming knowledge must be required. I told programming knowledge must be required. Okay, please observe. Just now, yeah, from this we can print factors also. Yes, Prashant Singh. That program is also there. We have to print factors of the given number. Maybe at the end we have this program. One of the small company asked this question, printing the factors of the given number. Okay. Yeah, Prashant, one more Prashant. See, observe carefully. I is equal to 1. It is starting the number from 1, sir. It is taking, suppose if you are giving 5, first the value of 5 will be divided with 1. So it will divide with 1. Okay. Then it will divide with 2. Then it will divide with 3. Then it will divide with 4. Then it will divide with 5. Up to this number you are getting, it will be divisible. So is if you divide 5 with 1, are we going to get remainder as 0? Yes. In this case, the remainder is nothing but not 0. In this case, remainder is not 0. In this case, remainder is not 0. In this case, remainder is 0. Whenever remainder is 0, we are incrementing factors plus plus. Initially, what is the value of factors? 0. So 2 times got right. That's why it will become 2. If a factors is equal to 2, then we have to print true. Otherwise, we have to print false. Clear, Prashant? Who asked this doubt? Why, Prashant? Very good. Ankit is asking one question. Sir, in the previous program, why you have taken this one as a static? So because Ankit, so in Java, if you want to access any data, compulsory object must be required. Have you observed this next int is a method which is used to read integer value, and this method is available in which class? Scanner class. That's why first we have to create a scanner class object and then you have to access. First we have to create a scanner class object and then we have to access. Okay, this is nothing but our requirement. So without object, is it possible to access anything in the sense? Yes, that is nothing but by using this one. Clear? Yeah. So let me take the same program. Okay, let me take the same program in Python implementation. So how you can able to solve this problem in Python? How you can able to solve this problem in Python? Let us see clearly. Sir, I am taking n is equal to, so int of input I am taking, then sir initially factors is equal to 0 for each I value in the range of 1 to n plus 1. So why I am taking n plus 1? We have to include the value of n. That's why I am taking n plus 1, including that value I am taking. So if n percentage I is equal to 0, sir, don't take factors plus plus, because factors plus plus is not there. Plus plus increment operator is not there. Sir, I want to print true when if the value of factors is double equal to 2. Else we have to print false. Beyond that, nothing is there. Let me run the code. Yes, and submit the code. So all the test cases are clear. So please confirm, is this application is clear for you people, guys? Please confirm. I request everyone to respond. Very good. So let me go for next problem. Valid palindrome. Oi, observe carefully. Given a string, determine if it is palindrome string or not. Sir, a string is a palindrome if it is equal to the reverse of the original string. If that string is equal to the reverse of the original string, then it is called as palindrome. Of course, there are so many predefined tools are there, but I want to take so manually I will implement in C language. Later you can go with predefined functions in Java and Python. Sir, I have a small doubt. Could you please confirm some realistic names, Prashant, some realistic names which are palindrome, please? Ankit, very good. Malayalam, excellent. Sham, madam. Nitin, oh, Nitin is palindrome. First time I'm seeing. Aditya, very good. Any other? Yeah, there is one soap is there. When one there is one soap name is there, which is palindrome. Anyone guess? Kalika. Oh, very good, Ranjesh. Oh, Ankit, I am talking about strings, not numbers. Pop, Harish, very good. Okay. Sir, I want to take one soap name is there. Have you observed? Liril. Liril. So if you reverse this, what will happen? Sir, is it Liril or not? Yes. Okay. Sir, this is nothing but a palindrome string. Sir, now we have to check whether it is palindrome or not by taking some logical steps. Because to do reverse operation, very good. So to do reverse operation in Java, in Python, okay, so we have predefined tools are there, but in C it is not there. That's why, sir, I want to take one special variable called low is equal to 0. So high is equal to length of the string minus 1. Okay, length of the string minus 1, length of the string minus 1. So length minus 1. Observe carefully. While the value of low is less than or equal to high. Okay, that means what? Sir, observe carefully. Observe carefully. I am explaining in a simple manner. A, B, C is there. Okay, ABC is there. Sir, this is nothing but 0th location, first location, second location. Low will become 0. Sir, high will become, what is the length? 3. 3 minus 1 means 2. Sir, I am taking these two characters, A and then C. If it is not equal, sir, okay, if it is not equal, then you have to stop the program. If it is equal, you have to continue. Let me take ABA. Sir, in this case, these two are equal or not? Yes. If it is equal, then we are incrementing low value by 1 unit. We are decrementing high value by 1 unit. So one less than one, and then one we are getting. One less than or equal to one. Is the condition is true or false? True. So I am checking B with B. Both are same, right? Yes. Low will be incremented by 1 unit. High will be decremented by 1 unit. Low value is 2, high value is 0. The condition is false, right? Sir, hence the loop is going to stop. Okay, hence the loop is going to stop. At the time of exit, I am going to take so 1 or 2, that I will explain by taking the functions. I hope the concept is clear for you people. Let me write the logic. Sir, if the value of low, okay, sorry, the value of S of low is equal to, okay, S of high. Okay, S of high. Oh, it is not equal to. If it is not equal to S of high, so if it is equal, we have to continue. If it is not equal, then please terminate the program. Otherwise, sir, low plus plus we have to take, low plus plus we have to take, and high minus minus we have to take. So once if the complete program got executed, we have to return 1, which states that yes, this number is nothing but, this string is nothing but palindrome string. Sir, please confirm, is it clear up to this? I request everyone to respond. Clear? Okay. So let me go for C language implementation. Let me see C language implementation. So how to do this, sir? Who is that? Ranjesh. What is there here? So initially low is equal to 0, high is equal to length minus 1. One is pointing at beginning, second one is pointing at ending. Observe. So first value, last value should be same, right? If it is not same, then I am returning 0. Okay, if it is the same, then low value, one step forward, one step backward, then those two should be same. Otherwise return 0. Like this we have to compare all the things. If everything is compared and if it is coming out of the function, then it is a palindrome. In the middle itself it is returning 0 means, then it is not a palindrome. So let me take C language implementation of this program. So program number 30, right? Let me take this. So I'm taking C language code. Sir, let me take here. So character S of 100. We are reading the string, and what are the required variables? Low must be required, high must be required. I think it is sufficient. Okay. Sir, scanf percentage S comma. Yes, I am reading the string from the user. So what is your next requirement? I am trying to take low is equal to 0 and I am trying to take high is equal to, sir, strlen, length of the string minus 1. Okay. Oh, sorry, we have to take a function, sir, because in the function only we can able to do. Sir, printf, sir, I am taking a function called isPally. Is value of that string I am passing. Okay, sir, if it is returning 1, then make sure that yes, it is the valid palindrome. Okay, otherwise it is nothing but invalid palindrome. Like this we are printing. Sir, integer, sir, I am going to take isPally function. Okay, which is taking one character array. Yes. Okay, now here I am taking integer low comma high. So what is the value of low? Low is equal to strlen of, sorry, 0 we have to take, and high is equal to strlen of s minus 1. So while the value of low less than or equal to high, so what we have to do? So we need to compare the two values. If s of low is not equal to s of high. Okay, then I am going to return 0. I am going to return 0. Sir, else, otherwise low plus plus I am taking, high minus minus I am taking. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. Sir, if everything goes smoothly, I am going to return 1. Let me run the code. So maybe 1 minute, 1 minute. So we have to take character yes here. Both, all the test cases are passed, and let us submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied. This is the way how you can implement in C language. So let me go for Java implementation. Sir, in Java I am going for predefined tools. In Java I am going for predefined tools. Observe carefully. Sir, please follow my instructions carefully, sir. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. So string s1 is equal to string s1 is equal to obj dot next line. I am reading first string. Okay, then sir, string buffer sb is equal to new string buffer of sir, string s1 I am taking. So because in sb you can perform reverse operation. Then string s2 is equal to, sir, I am taking sb dot to string. I am converting that string buffer into string. Sir, first string is original string. Then I stored that string in string buffer, and in string buffer we have a reverse function is there. I performed that reverse operation. Then I got a string buffer object. So if you want to compare with original string, both should be strings only, right? That's why, sir, I converted that string buffer into string. Now we have both the strings. We have to compare these two. How you can able to compare two strings? Already we have one beautiful method is there. What is that method, sir? S1 dot, sir, equals of S2. If it is true, then we have to print valid. Otherwise we have to print invalid. So beyond that, nothing is there. Let me run the code. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied, and let us submit the code. Yes, you can able to see remaining test cases also cleared, sir. This is nothing but Java implementation what we have. Okay, now I need to go for Python implementation. I need to go for Python implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Python? Let us see here. Python implementation. Sir, s is equal to input I am taking. Boss, print valid if s is double equal to s of colon colon minus 1. Else we have to print invalid. Beyond that, nothing is there. Let me run the code. Several times we have seen this, right? Yes, and submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are passed. Any doubts up to this? Sir, is there any doubt in this solution, sir? Please. Ranjish, in Python, we have colon colon minus 1 is there. It is called as a slice operation. If you perform slice operation on any string like this, it will return reverse of the string. If original string and after performing slicing operation, so we are getting a reversed string. If both are same, then it is valid, otherwise invalid. So you must have a knowledge in Python. What if Aditya is asking one beautiful question. 1 minute. What if name starts with a capital letter like Aditya? What we have to do? Oh, please tell me. So please apply Aditya. Please convert it into lowercase so that it will become so Aditya. Then apply the functionality. Clear? Yeah, Ankit is telling ignore case method. Yes, in Java, the same method you can write like this. Equals ignore case, equals ignore case. It will ignore the case and it will compare. Clear? And one more person, sir, can you please provide the solution without inbuilt function in Java? Without inbuilt function in Java. No, it is not possible. If you want, you have to apply this logic. Okay, we have to define boolean is palindrome, take a string, low is equal to same, high is equal to length of the string minus 1, while low is less than or equal to high. If s dot char at of low is not equal to s dot char at of high, then we have to return false. Otherwise low plus plus, high minus minus. So at last return true. That's all. Nothing is there. Okay, why we have to change? What is that, Prashant? Because if you want to work with lowercase letters, then complete lowercase or complete uppercase you have to convert, then it will become very easy. Okay, otherwise directly also we can take, sir, no problem. But in Java it is correct, but in Python all these things you have to do manually again. Okay, guys, please confirm, shall we go for next program? Yeah, so next program is having one what you can call one flashback story is there, sir. So do you want me to reveal that flashback story? Please confirm. Are you ready to listen that particular story, which may be useful for you also? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Please wait. So LBP number 31. Sir, reason I am asking. What is this, Prashant? Prashant is having some doubt. String A, B, empty, scanner, enter. Okay, N equals ignore case. Yeah, it is also correct. It is also correct. It will work. This one is without inbuilt function only, right? Then it is okay. It is correct only. So what they have done, have you observed? First string A is there. Whatever string they have given, sir, you are reversing the string. Starting from the last character to first character, you are appending that data to B. Okay, then we are comparing these two. Sir, I am telling this much risk is also not required. If you take functions, this is sufficient. Same logic we have to rewrite in Java like this. So we have to take boolean is pally function, which will take a string s as the argument. Then this is the code. So initially we have to take integer low is equal to 0. So integer high is equal to, how to find length? So s dot length minus 1 you have to take. So while low is less than or equal to high, so s dot char at of low, okay, is not equal to s dot char at of high. So then I am going to return false, else I am returning true. Yes, it will work. So even in this case, equality checking is also not required. Okay, but we have to take the program. Beyond that, nothing. Clear? Yeah. Sir, 1 minute. Please wait. One emergency call. Please wait. So this is nothing but what we have. Okay. Now, sir, next problem what we have here is LBP number 31. Okay. What is the next problem that we have here is LBP number 31. Sir, observe carefully. What is the story behind this is nothing but, sir, I was a Wipro certified trainer, sir. Okay, I am the Wipro certified trainer. I am the Wipro certified technical trainer. So 2 years back, I got certification from Wipro. Okay, in Java. So that Wipro company has given training for so all the trainers overall India, especially South region. Okay, sir, almost in the India, so this company Wipro has shortlisted so almost 50 to 60 faculty members by keeping 3 to 4 examinations purely on coding, especially in Java. Finally, sir, that strength of that class is nothing but 50 members. Sir, they have given a vigorous training on those 50 members. Okay, so in Java, almost they have conducted daily tests. Okay, almost 30 days session has been completed. Then they have given 1 week break and they conducted one examination. Okay, if you clear that examination, you are eligible for Wipro certified trainer. So what I got that from is, sir, forget about the certificate. Whatever database they have, complete programs, I copied, sir. I copied in the sense I have seen all the programs. Per day, they are going to give 3 to 4 programs for me to solve. Not only for me, for every faculty. Okay, sir, we collected all the programs, and in that, this is one of the program. So initially, sir, I faced so many logic thinkings, and finally I got the solution for this problem. But after completion of this, so 3 days or 4 days back, Wipro company is conducting some what you can call interviews. In that coding panel, in that coding challenges, at the time complete online facility is there. So in that, sir, they have used a metal tool for conducting the exam. In that, one question is the same question as it is repeated. Okay, so then I got clarity. Okay, in that database, whatever programs are there, yes, they are repeating the programs. Okay, fine, we are getting that. But sir, luckily what is happening in the sense, these programs are repeating, keep on. I have seen this program for the maximum 5 to 6 times. Okay, if you are attending for Wipro, anyone, if you are attending for Wipro, better to review this question one more time before going to the examination. If 100 members are writing the examination, make sure that minimum 2 to 3 members, they are going to get this question. Okay, it's my words, sir. You can write it. So clear? Shall we start explaining of this program? Yes, sir, here nothing is there. Just observe carefully. We have to create a pin by using 3 given numbers. They have given 3 numbers. By using those 3 numbers, we have to generate a pin. So Secure Assets Private Limited, Secure Assets Private Limited, a small company that deals with lockers, has recently started manufacturing digital locks which can be locked and unlocked by using pins. So which can be locked and unlocked by using pins. Sir, you have been asked to work on module that is expected to generate pins by using 3 input numbers. Sir, the 3 input numbers will always consisting of 3 digits each. That is, the range of these 3 digits is nothing but range is greater than or equal to 100 and less than or equal to 999. So below are the sum of rules for generating the pin. Total 5 rules are there. Just I will read out these rules. From that you can get the clarity. Sir, the pin should made up of 4 digits. Oh, the pin is made up of how many digits, sir? 4 digits. The unit position of the pin should be the least of unit positions in the 3-digit number. They have given 3 numbers, right? In that, in the unit position, 3 digits will be there. So you need to find out the minimum value from that. Then the tens position of the pin should be the least of tens position in the 3 input numbers. Okay, the hundreds position of a pin should be the least hundreds position of 3 input numbers. Okay, we got 3 digits, 3-digit key is generated. But what about fourth digit, thousands position? Okay, the thousands position of the pin should be maximum of all the digits in the 3 input numbers. In the first number 3 digits are there, in the second input 3 digits are there, in the third input 3 digits are there. Among these 9 digits, which is the maximum digit, that is nothing but thousands position. Okay, sir, I will explain with one small example. So tomorrow we will discuss about this. For example, consider 123 I am taking, sir, 487 I am taking, and then 915 I am taking. So what is the key? It made up of 4 digits. What is the first digit? In the unit position, what digits are there? 3, 7, 5. What is the minimum? 3. So in tens position, so 2, 8, 1 is there. What is the minimum? 1. Sir, in tens position, sorry, hundreds position, sir, 1, 4, 9 is there. What is the minimum? 1. Sir, then what is the maximum digit in this 1, 2, 3? 3. What is the maximum digit in this 7? So what is the maximum digit in this 9? So in this 3 and in this 8 and in this 9, which is the maximum? 9. 9113 is nothing but the pin, sir. So again tomorrow I will explain, sir. Don't worry. Those who are getting confusion, don't worry. Tomorrow with the diagram I will explain. Sir, clear up to this? Please confirm. Yeah, so that's all about today's session, sir. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow, sir. Okay, we will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you. You can leave now. Yeah, I will add in the WhatsApp group. Don't worry.